morning, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, respected teachers, parents, and all our little stars. It's an absolute delight to welcome you all to Vritti Preschool Annual Day 2024-25. Today, we are here to celebrate not just the progress of the children, but also the incredible journey of change through time and technology. From the days of letters to instant messages, from cassettes to digital music, from landline phones to smart gadgets, technology has transformed our lives in a way we could never have imagined. Our little ones here take this journey through time, showcasing how technology has shaped our world. So sit back and relax and enjoy the performances. But before we start the performances, let's move forward with today's day with an auspicious beginning. Let's illuminate this morning with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing knowledge, wisdom, and prosperity. This special moment will be graced by a very, very inspiring woman, the mother of our director. She has been a guiding force, a pillar of strength, and a source of unwavering support. Her wisdom and encouragement have played a crucial role in shaping the vision of Vritti's Preschools. It's an honor to have her light the lamp today and bless this event with her presence. Can you please welcome her on stage? Please give a huge round of applause, everyone. Please give Mrs. Rama a big round of applause, everybody. I think parents really help us to form our future, and she's definitely done that, and she's been a guiding light. So please clap along as we light the lamp. Can we have a really big round of applause for the start of today? Can we have another round of applause, everybody? Thank you so much. To begin today's program, I would like to invite our director, Mrs. Ramya, to deliver the welcome speech. Can we have Mrs. Ramya on stage, please?
A very good morning, everybody. It's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to our annual day celebrations. Today is a moment of immense joy and pride as we watch our little stars take the stage, showcasing their hard work, dedication, and talent. As we gather to celebrate their achievements, we also take a moment to reflect on this year's theme. As you can see on the backdrop here, the theme for today is evolution of time and technology, something that I think all of us are kind of, going through. And I don't see that, this is probably the most crucial time of all our lives where we've seen so much of a change in time and technology. There's so much of nostalgia. And at the same time, we're seeing that children are living in a very different world altogether, unlike us. So this theme highlights the incredible journey of progress and innovation, shaping the way we live, learn, and connect with the world around us. Over the years, we have witnessed remarkable transformations. Handwritten letters that have given way to instant messages, bulky computers which have now evolved into sleek smartphones and tabs, and outdoor games now coexist with virtual reality experiences. While these advancements have revolutionized our lives, but our children, our preschoolers, for them, this is the only world that they are seeing. We have something that we are carrying with us, but then the kids that we talk today to, they don't have an idea of what we speak also. So they're growing up in an era where digital devices are their storybooks and voice assistants answer most of their questions. When wisely used, technology opens doors to knowledge and creativity. But as we embrace these advancements, we must also be mindful of the challenges they bring, like reduced physical activity leading to obesity, shorter attention spans, and difficulty in learning, and limited social interactions, turning them into introverts. As educators and parents, we share the responsibility of ensuring that technology enhances learning without replacing real-world experiences. So, how do we go about striking this balance? So, I would like to highlight a few points here. Number one, encouraging outdoor play. So, while digital learning has its place, nothing can replace the joy of running around, jumping, and exploring. Outdoor play helps children develop motor skills, teamwork, and most of all, resilience. The second one I would say would be mindful screen time. Instead of endless, unsupervised screen time, which to some extent happens in most of our households, engaging them with interactive educational content and setting clear boundaries for device usage. Avoiding animation as much as possible. Yes, animation. No anime if you can. And, kind of switching their channels to Animal Planet or National Geographic, more of realistic stuff. And then the third one I would say is nurturing human connections. No app or gadget can replace the warmth of a conversation, a hug, a bedtime story, spending time basically with the loved ones. So let's ensure that technology enhances but does not replace these precious moments. The fourth one I would say is leading by example, which is, as we are also going through the transition, it is a very tough challenge for parents also. Children learn from what they see. They completely imbibe what they see around them. So when we practice healthy digital habits, they will follow. So it's so essential that at home, once we are home, we are with our children, we make sure we try and put away our gadgets as much as possible. Now this is something that we also take time out to unwind. We use gadgets to unwind for ourselves. The me time has moved into the device, right? So it's important that we cut that off and try and just be around. Even if you're not doing anything, we're just lazing around, it is still fine if you're just sitting down on the couch but not doing anything with a gadget. That's all they need to see and learn from us. So a family dinner without mobile phones, iPads, or even good amount of outings and nature walks and things like that where we're spending more time with the children. So that's what I would like to highlight about how we can go about enhancing and inculcating technology into our lives, but at the same time balancing it out. So today our children are going to do a lot of things on this, basis of this, especially children from senior KG and junior KG. They have a skit that they will be performing on. So these are going to be eye-openers for them and for us to kind of, take back home. To speak a few lines about the school, at Rithi Preschools, we committed to fostering holistic growth by blending modern training tools with traditional values. Established in the year 2013 in Bangalore, we are a government-recognized preschool. We offer playgroup, nursery, junior KG, senior KG, and daycare. Our philosophy has been simple. We believe that children learn best while they are having fun. And we think about the tasks that they imitate in the kitchen, right? They play, they explore, and in the process, they enjoy and learn. And at Rithi, that's what we believe, that we create exciting challenges for children by play, explore, and learn. To ensure a well-rounded development, we follow an integrative curriculum that was initially designed by IIM graduates in collaboration with experts in early childhood education. And over the years, in-house, we have only progressively contributed and modified our curriculum by adopting multiple intelligence approach to nurture visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning styles. These are the 3 different learning styles. All of us have different ways of learning and absorbing. So this is what we also believe in, and that's something that we try and incorporate into our curriculum to make sure children are able to grasp what is taught. With more than a decade of experience, we have been a trusted foundation for early childhood learning, and we take immense pride in shaping young minds. Year after year, our team strives to provide the best for our children, creating a safe, stimulating, and nurturing environment where they can grow, learn, and thrive. So today is all about celebrating young learners and their journey. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ramya. That was such an insightful welcome speech. So let's start today with the prayer by senior KG, junior KG, and nursery children. What a better way to start than a prayer to bless this event. Let's welcome all our little ones for a soulful prayer. Please give them all a big round of applause.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम सुंदर विग्रह मेघश्याम गंगा तुलसी शालिग्राम सुंदर विग्रह मेघश्याम गंगा तुलसी शालिग्राम रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम भद्रगिरीश्वर सीताराम जय जनप्रिय सीताराम भद्रगिरीश्वर सीताराम भद्रजनप्रिय सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम जानकी रमना सीताराम जय जय राघव सीताराम जानकी रमना सीताराम जय जय राघव सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 बड़े प्यारे तू सीताराम Thank you.
Wow, what a heartwarming start. Thank you so much, children. Can we have another round of applause? They really deserve that. What a beautiful start. Now we move to the next section, which is a very, very important and proud time for a lot of parents here, and that's the graduation ceremony for the children. So the most awaited moments for all our senior KG students is here, and that's their graduation. Today, they take a big step towards a new chapter in their lives. Here I would like to call upon senior KG teacher, Mrs. Shrabanti Panda.
Good morning to everyone. First and foremost, I want to take a moment to thank Vritti to give this wonderful opportunity to stand here and speak about a journey that is incredibly close to my heart. My time with this senior KG kids, it has been a privilege to be a part of their life, guiding them, watching them grow and learn from them every single day. This journey has been extra special for me because I have been with them since these children were in nursery. I have seen their tiny steps into the world of learning, from recognizing letters and numbers to forming words, sentences, and even their own beautiful thoughts. From the hesitant little ones who have clung into their parents for the first time, or first day of nursery, to be the confident, cheerful little graduates we see today, every moment has been a treasure. Each day in this classroom has been a new adventure. We have laughed together, learned together, and even faced challenges together, whether it was learning or sharing, discovering the magic of stories, or simply tying shoelaces for the first time. Every milestone, big or small, has been a moment of pride. To my dear students, you have filled my days with joy, curiosity, and endless energy. Watching you growing has been one of the most fulfilling experiences of my life. As you step into grade 1, I want to make you remember that you are capable of being strong and ready for the next chapter. Keep asking questions, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in yourself. To the parents, thank you for your support, trust, and for allowing me, Nitya ma'am and Satya ma'am to be a part of your child's early years. It has been an honor to teach them, and I know they will continue to shine brighter in the years to come. As I say goodbye to this beautiful journey, I do so with a heart full of gratitude and countless cherished memories. This is not just the end of a chapter. It is the beginning of many more wonderful adventures for my little graduates. Congratulations, my dear students. The world is waiting for you. Thank you. And I would now request Ramya ma'am to give away the certificates for graduation to our senior KG children. Adi Prakash, Akula Shravya, Arnav Satpati, D. Panag Tejomaya Reddy, Darshil Jena, Divyanshi Das, Hansvika Reddy Lomadi, Ishan Tholapi, Chinay Kothari, Joshnika Samikari, Kelrin Josh Kumar, Killari Gyanvi, M. Hitaishi, Mamadi Sarayu, Patil Kartvik Reddy, Riddhi S, Samanvika Chandela, Sheikh Manha, Taksha, Trishika Reddy, Urvi Kulkarni, Vrinda Marunima Tanaku. Now senior KG B section children, Ayan SK, Agra Lakshan Sanoj, Hanvi Shriram Setti, Mishika Garg, Payyavullah Sailesh Kritikshan, Rishika Chauresia, S. Tanush Reddy, Sandeepti Chandela, Siripi Reddy Mahanvi Reddy, Vandana R, Vivan Gilot.
Thank you so much, children. Can we have another big round of applause? Thank you so much. Every institution flourishes because of the dedication and hard work of its staff. And today we take a moment to honor those who have completed 5 wonderful years with Vritti Preschool. To present the awards, we invite Mrs. Rama to do the honors. Let's have a big round of applause as we recognize these dedicated individuals who have been an integral part of our journey. I would like to call upon Mrs. Archana Balasubramaniam from Playgroup. Please give her a big round of applause again. Next, we'll have Mrs. Prativa Mohanty from Junior KG. Can you please give her a big round of applause? We have Mrs. Rama and Miss Ramya giving out the award. Thank you so much. Next, we have Mrs. Madhuri M from Nursery. Please give her a big round of applause, everybody. Next, we have Miss Arshia Banu, our sports faculty, but she's not here. But anyways, let's give her a big round of applause. Even though she's not here, she definitely needs to be applauded. We'll move forward to Miss Anjali from the support staff. Can you please give her a big round of applause, everybody? In addition to these staff members, we would also like to invite those who have been with us for even longer and were felicitated last year. Their continued service and commitment have helped Vritti Preschools grow into a nurturing space as it is today. The staff names are Mrs. Pooja Pradeep. She's been with us for 11 years of service. Please give her a big round of applause, everyone. Wow, 11 years is a long time. She definitely needs a big round of applause for her dedication and commitment. Thank you so much. Next, I'd like to call upon Mrs. Satya Narayani. She's been with us for 8 years of teaching excellence. Please give her a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, Mrs. Satya. Next, we'll call upon Mrs. Shrabanti Panda. She's been with us for 6 years. Please give her a big round of applause, everybody. Next, we have Mrs. Nitya Rajkumar. She's been with us for 6 years. Please give her a big round of applause, everybody. And we have Mrs. Padma Priya, who's also been with us for 6 years. Please give her a big, big round of applause. Next, we have our non-teaching staff joining us, Mrs. Sheila Raghavan, completing 11 years. They definitely both need a big round of applause. Please join us on stage. Thank you so much. Our junior KG children are ready to entertain us with a fun advertisement. Let's give them a big round of applause. And the children participating are Adya Hana Bharati, Adira Bhura, Daksh Kumar Gupta, Riyanshi Patnaik. Can we have a big round of applause? This is our opener for today. Make some noise for them.
अरे पहले हाथ तो धो लो।
शेर भी कभी अपने पंजे धोते हैं दीदी?
पंजे तो चूहे भी नहीं धोते मामा जी।
शेरों के पंजे भी अब से धुलेंगे, यूं रोकेंगे डोगेंगे हो। खाने से पहले सदा हाथ धोना कभी भी ना भूलेंगे हो। जो माँ ने सिखाया वो सबको सिखाएंगे, एवरीबॉडी हाथ धो। ना फैले बीमारी जो आदत हमारी, डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
साबुन से सच्चा है, साबुन से अच्छा है
डेटॉल डेटॉल हो।
डेटॉल लिक्विड हैंड वॉश और सैनिटाइजर दें 100 बीमारी फैलाने वाले जर्म से सुरक्षा।
तभी तो मामा ने सिर्फ डेटॉल का धुला।
Let's move forward, and this is going to be a dance by the Playgroup on a trending Hindi song from the 1980s. Music is timeless, and some songs remain in our hearts forever. The 1980s gave us some of the most iconic Hindi songs that are still loved today. Our Playgroup children are all set to take us back in time with a delightful performance on one such classic. Let us give them a big round of applause while you put together your hands to welcome the following children: Adyasha Chaudhary, Hetvi Shah, Jianshi Shah, N. Manvit Sai, Palvit Jaiswal, Prisha Yadav, Shivansh Maiti, Trisha Vyas, and Vivan Maurya. Let us quickly check if they are ready, else we'll give them some time. And they're so cute. Please, they definitely deserve a big round of applause even to stand on the stage. Just give them a nice round of applause, please. Can we please clap along, parents? Come on, give them some support.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
Come on, parents, clap along, make some noise, come on. These kids definitely deserve it. Can we clap along, come on.
सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन। ए जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी, मैं हूँ मन मौजी, करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी। 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1, माय नेम इज लखन, माय नेम इज लखन, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन।
Wow, what a performance! A fantabulous performance. I'm even surprised they're standing on the stage and they even did the steps. I'm so surprised. One group photo, can you please stop rolling? I think the photographer would like to take a picture. Please stop the rolling. Please stop. Come on, children, let's take a picture. You stand here. Teachers, please support the kids. They want to take a picture. Next, we have the playgroup children. We have a dance by the playgroup on a trending Telugu song from the 1980s. The 1980s were also a golden era for Telugu music with melodies that still touch our heart. Our playgroup children are now ready to present a beautiful performance on one of the most trending Telugu songs of that time. Let's welcome them with a big cheer. We have Agastya Vendat Reddy, B. Vayama Krishna, Dudugunta Venkat Rudvik, Ivan Razi, Pendyala Diyan Netra Chaudhary, Pulasit Lohita, P. Adira, Sukriti Pusarla, Vikshita Alapati. These are the students of the playgroup. Please give them a big round of applause, everybody. Can we please clap along slowly?
ఎలుగొచ్చు గోదారమ్మ ఎల్లా కిల్ల పడ్డారమ్మో ఇంటికి నీలయ్యేనమ్మో కొంగు చాటు అందారని పేరంటాలే చేస్తుంటే ఒలమ్మో రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోకాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైనా నీ ఓడు ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోకాడు ఆగడాల పిల్లోడైనా నీ ఓడు ఈ కళ్ళకున్న ఆ కళ్ళలోన అందాల విందమ్మ నువ్వు వాటేసుకుంటే వందేళ్ల పంట వందంటే విందమ్మ నువ్వు చెయ్యేస్తే చేమంతి బుగ్గ చెంగావి గన్నేరు మొగ్గ చెయ్యేస్తే చేమంతి బుగ్గ చెంగావి గన్నేరు మొగ్గ చిరెలు పూలే ఇంటికి నీలయ్యేనమ్మో ఓలమ్మో రావమ్మో ఆగమంటే రేగేనమ్మ సోకాడు పిల్లోడైనా నీ ఓడు
Parents, clap along, don't stop. These are really tiny children. Wow, what a fabulous performance. What a mind-blowing performance. I don't know how they remember all of this in their small little heads. They definitely deserve a big round of applause. Photographers, please take your picture. Photographer, please take the picture. Teachers, you can just get them little ahead. We have an amazing lineup of performances today. Music has the power to bring joy, and some songs capture the essence of happiness so beautifully. Our playgroup children are here to perform on a beloved old Kannada song that reminds us that happiness is a choice. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. The two students participating are Bomanapalli Adavika, Ibanika Ji, Krishiv Rai, Parthojay Wuduta, Rishwant, Shayan N. Gowda, Sheikh Sania Janan, Vihan J. Manta, Yusuf Malik. Please give them all a big round of applause, everybody. This is the playgroup children. The children are here. Can you give a big round of applause, everybody? Come on, parents, make some noise, clap along!
ಅರಳುವಂತೆ ದುಂಬಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆಯುವಂತೆ ಲತೆಯ ಮೊಗ್ಗು ಅರಳುವಂತೆ ದುಂಬಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆಯುವಂತೆ ಬಾಣವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳುವಂತೆ ನಾದಗಂಗೆ ಹರಿಯುವಂತೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕೂಡ ಕರಗುವಂತೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು
Come on, parents, clap along. Come on, let's clap along.
ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿರಿಯರೇನು ಕಿರಿಯರೇನು ಹರುಷ ಪಡಲು ಭೇದವೇನು ಹಿರಿಯರೇನು ಹರುಷ ಪಡಲು ಭೇದವೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಹಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸುರಿವ ಮಳೆಯ ಹನಿಯು ಜೇನು ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಕಂಡು ನಜದೇನು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು ತಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು ನನ್ನಂತೆ
Wow, what a heartwarming performance by the children. So fabulous. Beautiful performance by the children.
I would say my child is there from 10 years. He is the first one. So we have a relation with Ritti almost 8 years. So that's, because of us, there are many children who has been joined in Ritti, and we are very, honored or very happy to be part of the Ritti. I would say my son and my daughter is now into senior KG.
Oh, very nice. I think your name again?
Madhavi.
Wow, Madhuri, thank you so much. Is there any teacher or anyone specifically that you'd like to thank?
Yeah, we like to thank first Ramya ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Saraswati ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, Nitya ma'am, Shravanti ma'am, all of us. In fact, the Sheila auntie, everybody has supported. And the driver, we used to have the van for both of our kids. And uncle for security, and all of us we will.
Wow, that is so sweet. She did not forget even the helping staff. Please give a big round of applause because everyone puts in all the effort. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyone has the kids has a relationship with these preschools for more than 10 years? Any parents apart from them? Any other parents here? And one crowd. Would you like to say a few things about the school and how was your feedback?
School is good, ma'am, and Ramya ma'am, Pooja ma'am, they support all the time when we have some issues also. Okay. School is pretty good, and we are very thankful to them.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My daughter studied in 2015.
2015.
So it's 2025 now.
Put together. She is in 7th standard now. We are very happy and honored. And my son is here. He is in nursery now. So we are happy and honored to be part of Vritti School. I thank Ramya ma'am, Shravanti ma'am, Amruta ma'am, Satya ma'am, and Madhuri ma'am. Thank you.
Rohit, which standard, which class is your child in?
He's in nursery class.
Nursery. Okay, so it's relatively new.
Yeah.
So how has your experience been, and who are the teachers? Anything you would like to say today?
It has been very good. So the learning and all the experience is good. So thanks to all the teachers who are supporting all the kids here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks all parents for the lovely feedback. to show us how life has changed. The children participating are Adya Anarbati as the mother, Adira Bura as the daughter, Advik Chaurasia as the grandfather, Daksh Kumar Gupta as the father, Hanvika Shri Dayakara Reddy as the daughter, Jeshvika Punnapu as the daughter, Lishika MM as the daughter, MF Ayan Basha as the son, P. Shamvita as the daughter, and Riyanshi Patnaik as the grandmother. Life before smartphones. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take a step back in time before the age of smartphones, before any instant messaging and social media. Life was just simple, yet filled with warmth, laughter, and meaningful conversations. Families spent time together, sharing stories, playing, and truly enjoying each other's company. Let's see how life used to be in those days.
Grandpa, what are you reading? I'm reading a newspaper. Come, sit with me. I will help you to read. Okay, Grandpa. Mama, what are you doing? I am writing a letter to your grandma. When she will get the letter, Mummy, it will reach her by next. Oh, next week. That's so long. I want to see Mama. What are you writing? Okay. Come, sit. Hanvika, Jasvika, come. Yes, Grandma. Come, have your lunch. Both of you finished your dal and sabji. It will make you strong. Okay. Mama, come. Yes, Jashvika, tell me. Don't like sabji, Mama. I won't eat it. Oh God, wait, I'll call your father. Daksh, please come here. That voice is not coming. See, Jashvika is not eating. Oh, children, if you eat, I tell you a story about a brave little girl who eat her sabji every day and becoming superhero. Really? Yes. Okay, I will eat that. Good. That's how life is simple, and together we enjoy every moment.
Wow, what a beautiful message. Such a lovely message. Let us take a look on a modern household where technology connects us to the world that may also be keeping us apart.
Grandpa, look, I am playing a game on a phone. Good. Mama, give me your phone. I want to watch something. Not now. I'm busy chatting. Papa also busy in phone. I asked to Grandma. Grandma, give me your phone. I want to play game. Not now. I'm looking for new recipe to cook today. Okay. If dinner is ready, all are busy with their phone. No one is playing with me. I'm sad.
Wow, what a beautiful message. So much said in so little time. Please give them a big round of applause, everybody. What a beautiful message. Thank you, kids. Okay, we are going to be back with scene 3. Technology is not the enemy. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can enhance our lives. The key is to balance enjoying the benefits of technology while also cherishing family time. Let's see how a family learns to strike this perfect balance.
Samu, come here. Yes, Grandpa. Let's read the news together. I will show you how to look at pictures on a mobile. Okay, Grandpa, let's read together. Lissika, come here. Hello? Yes, Grandpa. Let us make cake. Oh, wow, cake, lovely, Grandpa. Come on, everybody. Let us go out for a walk. Yes, Papa. And after coming back, let us video call to your grandma. Yay! This is so good. We can do a lot of things together. Technology is helpful, but family time is the most precious of all. Thank you.
Wow, what a thought-provoking performance. It definitely deserves a big round of applause. Parents, give them a big, big round of applause. Computers and internet have changed the way we live, learn, and connect with our world. Our children from the nursery will now take us to this transformation with a vibrant dance performance. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. We have children's names are Advait Sai SP, Aradhya Singh, Arshit Kumar Sahu, Bachala Devansh, G. Nimalan, Janani Shri Ram Prabhu, Laya Shri Chala, Makam Duti Kartika, Pranshi Priya, and Vivansh Giri. Let's give them a big round of applause, parents. Parents, can we have another round of applause? Wow, what a fabulous performance by the children, a beautiful performance. Next, we have a dance by the nursery children on telephone being a part of our life. From the rotary dial to smartphones, telephones have played a crucial role in keeping us connected. Our nursery children are now here to present an energetic performance celebrating the evolution of telecommunication. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause. The children participating are Ayush Prasad, Charmi Rathi, Ivan Einstein, Kartik Datta Darsh Gudimela, Kirana Vinuta, Kushi Patil, Naira Nibet Swain, Perumala Selina Clarice, S. Jasvika, Shaurya Kumar Nayak, Vihan Verma. Please give them all a big round of applause, everybody. Can we please clap along? Come on, parents, can we make some noise and clap along?
मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर
Clap along, please. Please clap along, parents.
अरे मुझको हुई न खबर चोरी चोरी छुप छुप कर कब प्यार की पहली नजर है ले गई ले गई ले गई ले गई अरे ले गई 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 ले गई
children. Can we have another round of applause? They definitely deserve that. Next, we have a performance by the Nursery B section. Music and dance bring joy to our lives. And what better way to celebrate than in an energetic performance on the classic hit Rhythm of the Night. Our Nursery B children are ready to light up the stage with their enthusiasm and their rhythm. Let's give them a nice round of applause while we welcome the children. Arif Bhattacharjee, Ayansh Magotra, Christine Augustus Ravuri, Ivan Tiwari, Mihit Santosh Burbure, Mishika Das, Pankaj Das, Rigvedita Shri Chaudhary, Shivatmika Pradhan, Trisha Pani, Yatharth Khe. Can we have another round of applause for all the children? Make some noise!
This is the rhythm of my life.
Come on, parents, let's make some noise for the children!
This is the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life. This is the rhythm of the night.
Come on, parents, can we clap along?
This is the rhythm.
I know you're tired, but we have only very few performances left.
Oh yeah. I know you wanna say it. This is the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life. This is the rhythm of my life. Oh, sunshine in an empty place. Take me to Georgia, baby, I'll make you stay. Oh, can't you look your way? Feel you give me love again. Round and round we go, each time I hear you say, this is the rhythm of the night. 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 This is the rhythm of the This is the rhythm of my life. This is the rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life. This is the rhythm of my
Come on, parents, clap along!
I know you wanna say it. This is the rhythm of the night.
Wow, what an electrifying performance by the children. Can we have another round of applause for these little children, please? And now our junior KG stars are back with another entertaining advertisement. Children who are coming up are Hanvika Shri Dayakara Reddy, Hari Shankar KM, Ketapalli Guru Jeswik, Mehul Sahu and Virang Sahu. Please give them a big round of applause, everybody. Can we give them a nice round of applause, everybody?
कभी कभी ब्रेक लो, किटकैट खाओ, न जाने अगला पल क्या ले आए। किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है।
Oh, so cute. Please give them a nice round of applause, everybody. Share their perspective on this insightful skit. The children participating are Hanvi C. Ramasetti, Ishan Tolapi, Kilarvi Gnavi, Mamidi Sarayu, Mishika Gar, Patil Katvik Reddy, Pranshi Purbe, S. Tanush Reddy, Sandeepti Chandala, Sheikh Manha, Siri Piredi Manvi Reddy, Urvi Kulkarni, Vrinda Marunima Tanaku. Please give them all a big round of applause, everybody. I request the children in the front to please not move around. Parents, please look, otherwise the kids will get distracted if you don't mind.
The Tale of Little Chintu and the Magic Machines. Characters: Sarayu as Chintu, Mishika as Mummy, Hanvi as Screeny, Ishan as Robbie, Tanush as Daddy, Manha Sandeepti as Chintu's friends. Chintu is playing in the playground with her friends, running around with a ball and laughing. Mummy is cleaning the room with vacuum cleaner.
Chintu beta, it's time for lunch. Come inside. Coming, mummy.
Chintu waves goodbye to her friends and runs inside, washes hands and sits to eat.
Mummy, today I played hide and seek and I climbed the slide. It was so much fun. The escape Chintu, playing outside makes you strong and happy.
Suddenly, a glowing screen appears on the stage. It has eyes and a mouth and talks in a sing-song voice.
Chintu, see your new friend. This is Screeny. Hello, Chintu. I am Screeny. The magical world of videos, likes and comments. Do you want to see some cool cartoons and games? Wow! You can show me cartoons. Yes, and I can show you anything you ask. You can show me songs. Yes, and you don't even have to wait. Come, sit with me. I will show you everything.
Chintu sits in front of the glowing screen, mesmerized. Screeny starts showing videos and games. Chintu giggles but stays glued to the screen.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Gummy, 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 gummy bear. 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 Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear.
friendly robot, Robbie, rolls onto the stage with Dad.
Beep boop. Hey guys, see what I've got. Hey guys, see what I've got. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Hi, I'm Robbie. I can do your homework, give you answers, and even order snacks. Really? That's amazing. I never have to do anything hereafter. Thank you, Daddy. That's right. You just relax and let me do everything. Yay! Order me some pizza. Yes, I will do so.
Chintu happily sits with Srini and Robbie, enjoying herself while they entertain her. After some time, Chintu looks tired. Her eyes hurt and she yawns.
My head feels funny. I am tired, but I don't feel like stop watching. Don't worry, just one more video. Chintu, you've been sitting for hours. You haven't played or gone outside. But I don't feel like playing anymore. I just want to sit.
Mummy enters the stage looking worried.
Chintu, what's going on? Why are you so tired? Screeny and Robbie were so fun. But now I feel bored and sleepy all the time. Beta, too much of anything is not good. These magical machines can be useful. But they are taking away your time for real fun. Running, playing and laughing with your friends.
Mummy turns to Screeny and Robbie.
Screeny, Robbie, it's time for Chintu to go back to the real world. And she needs to play with her friends and learn to think on her own. Oh, alright. But when she's promises, again come back to me. I will help Chintu when she really needs us. No more doing her all the work.
Screeny and Robbie fade into the background. Chintu runs back to the playground where her friends are waiting.
Chintu, you're back. Let's play hide and seek. You can be the seeker this time. Yay! I missed this so much. Friends, magical missions are fun, but don't let them take over your life. Playing, running, and using your imagination are the best to stay happy and healthy.
The children are
magic and real fun every day.
robots are no longer just a thing of the future. They are here. Our junior KG children will now present a dance performance on the world of robots. Let's welcome the kids Arush Jenna, Adya Hanabarati, B. Arima Sangar, Hari Shankar KM, Hayan Kautilya, Jashvika Punnappu, Ketapalli Guru Jashvik, Lishika MM, MF Ayan Basha, P. Shamvita, Shankar Kartikeya Pataju.
Boom, boom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Zoom, zoom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Boom, boom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Zoom, zoom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock.
Isaac Asimov, Balaya Robo. Isaac Newton, Lila Robo. Einstein, Lego, Shali Robo. Hey Robo, 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 come on, let's go.
Robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Zoom, zoom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Boom, boom, robo-rock, robo-rock, robo-rock. Robo, nobody rawe, chitti ni peladiye. విద్యుత్తే ఒంట్లో రక్తం కలల జగతిలో రూపకాత సయం. నోరున్నా తడుపే లేదు, మాట ఉంది శ్వాసే లేదు, నాడులున్నా హృదయం లేదు.
కుముకి అక్కితో నడిచి వచ్చి అక్కడి ప్రేమతో పుట్టింది నీవా ఇనుము నుంచే పూచితివా మా తొలి ప్రేమను కలిపితివా పరిణయ ఘడియలు తెలియ ముందే నువ్వు మాకు బిడ్డవా చిట్టి చిట్టి రోబో నా జట్టు కట్టి రోబో తడి చూసే జపముల లేక వరముల నిశ్చయం
have another round of applause for all these little children? Parents, come on, make some noise, yeah, come on. I know you're tired, but few more performances, that's it. Next, we have a performance by the junior KG students. The 2000s brought us some of the best moments before technology took over our lives completely. Our junior KG kids are here to take us down the memory lane with a special performance. So the kids participating next are Adira Bhura, Advik Chaurasia, Daksh Kumar Gupta, Hanvika Shri Dayakara Reddy, Lasrita Krishna Chakala, Mehul Sahu, Nishta, Riyanshi Patnaik, Sayam Mittal, Shri Randanda, Virang Sahu, and Vihan Kochar. Parents, I know you're tired, but please clap along. The children have put in a lot of effort to practice this, so please. Clap along, please. Wow, what a beautiful performance. Children, please come forward for a picture. Let's welcome our senior KG students as they present an entertaining advertisement to us. The children performing are Adi, Ayan SK, Jinay Kotari, Kelreen Josh Kumar, Samanvika Chandala, Vandana R, Vivan Gelot, Vrinda Marunima Tanaku. Please put your hands together for a lovely advertisement. Please give them a nice round of applause, everybody. Parents, can we have another round of applause?
Washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma, दूध सी सफेदी Nirma से आई, पिल जाए, सबकी पसंद Nirma, washing powder Nirma, Nirma.
A beautiful round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrived at the final and most awaited segment of the evening by our senior KG children, who are all here to set the stage with a spectacular sequence with performances showcasing the evolution of time, technology through a dance and drama. With mesmerizing choreography, seamless transitions, and an energetic spirit, this final act is going to be a true celebration of creativity and passion. So let's put together our hands for the senior KG children as they present their grand performance.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Parents, last performance, can we have some energy? Come on, parents.
It's whatever you like. Turn this up and set it to a club. I'm talking drink and smoke free, party all night. Come back, girl, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
me at the
our dance drama is still going on. They need some enthusiasm. This is the last performance.
Girl, you're my chalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my cello. Shawty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my cello. Yes, I said, Mara, Aja, let you get it party. I'm ready, hold it, Aja, party, Rajirare. I'm ready, Yaki, Milare. Chalo, yes, I said, Mara, Aja, let you get it party. I'm ready, hold it, Aja, party, Rajirare. I'm ready, Yaki, Milare. I don't know nothing, let it go. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. Wanna be my chalo. shorty. Oh my god, oh लगती हॉरी, ओ कर गई naughty, पर kill करना उसकी hobby. Madly searching for this fine shorty, in my world the number one hottie. Everywhere she make him go crazy, पर kill करना उसकी hobby.
മുത്തായവനെ നിന്നും സൂര്യനും ചന്ദ്രനും ഒന്നായവനെ കാലം കാത്ത് വച്ച രക്ഷകനെ സംഹാരകനെ രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുല്ല ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായും ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം നടുക്ക് വച്ച സ്വർഗം പോലും
Pushpa, 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 pushpa.
Come on, parents!
Pushpa, 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 pushpa. పట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిందే నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలయ్యే అంటే ఆకాశం ఎన్నే పెంచాలే కలవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోపే తవ్వాలే రెక్కలు ఒడిసి హొట్టుకుంటే నీదే
the grand finale with all the little children on stage.
Come alive. Doom again, we gotta break the rules and party all the time. Doom again, we gotta steal the show. You know that ain't no crime. So steal all that you can, the magic you began. Let's shout, break out, come on once again. Let's hear it. Doom machale, doom machale, doom machale, doom machale, doom machale, doom machale, doom doom. Once again, machale, machale,
come on, parents, last round of applause.
Come on, once again, machale.
What an amazing performance! What a beautiful performance!
First line, he started? No, first line. First, a big round of applause to our little stars. And then I would like to say a big thank you to both my choreographers who've been with the teachers and working this out. They have all worked tirelessly and, they've all worked tirelessly and, struggled a good amount to put this all in place. And of course, our children who have been with us from the beginning to make sure this whole event comes out as beautifully successful as we've witnessed today. So with that, I officially conclude today's program. And thank you so much. I really thank everybody who, being a working day, I'm really sorry we could not help it. But being a working day, you took time out to come and spend the day for your children. Thank you. Thank you.